Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe this channel. In this video, we are going to learn Room API with Jetpack Compose. You know that Room API is the powerful API for handling database operations with SQLite in Android. So I have other videos also on Room API with latest Android version, but I do not have a videos with Jetpack Compose. So here I am going to divide this video in 4 parts. In first part I am going to explain you how you can insert the data into SQLite database using Room API in Jetpack Compose. In second video we will see how we can display the code, then update and delete. So I have already designed the layout because layout designing is a different part and the coding of Room API is different. So I hope that you know how to design Jetpack Compose, only then you can go further in this video. Otherwise I have other video also to design the layout, so you can learn those video and then come to here. Here we have a simple just a one function that we have roomdb, and in this function I have designed this layout. So I took column layout here, and that we have designed horizontally center, and under this we have this text field that have this formatting. It's a normal one, that red color, font bold, font size 20, text at center. So these alignment all are just normal things. We have designed a text. Then we have a spacer to provide a space between these two. And then we have a text field. So text field we have with icon. In this text field we have this designing that roll number is the field. If I enter something here, that will goes to roll number. Roll number is here a remember variable here that will store the value whenever the state is changed, so it will preserve the state. And then we have placeholder that will display here enter roll number. Then we have icon, the type of icon I want to display here. Similarly we space and we have a second field here, same type of data we have placed here. Now student name, then we have here course name, then we have a spacer. Then I took row, within a row I took these 4 buttons. Those are outline button. We have insert, display, update and delete. So all these things I did here as a layout, just to make final the way of designing your layout for Room API. Now at the last we have this for displaying a result. So this is animated your visible field that I have add here, text that will have a result. If I will click on display button, then the result will display here. So all these types of things we will see in this 4 videos to learn Room API. So designing is done. Now after the designing, the main thing is the library insertion in Gradle. So here I just inserted these, the version 2.4.2, this for Room API. These 4 API, or we can say dependencies, are here. First this, second, third, fourth. These are 4 for Room API, and last one is for coroutines, because Room API supports coroutine, so we need coroutines also. So how you can insert these dependency is very simple. Just go there and type here Room dependency. First link is there, and go there and you see the version is there, and top 4 just copy there, and these top 4 we have to copy, 1 2 3 4. So these you have to copy, one, this one, and then this one. Leave this one. only this and this we will use. We are not using this, we are using KAPT. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are optional, other are optional, you can use if you required, otherwise these are the must for use. And similarly you can go for coroutine dependencies and go there and just copy this dependency, this one and latest one, and then paste there and add there here. So these are the way to insert dependency for Room API, and remember that we are using here KAPT, so annotation processing, that's why we have to write this line also, Kotlin KAPT, this is also must. So after that your application is ready with Jetpack Compose with Room API. Now we are going to start Room API and how we can start coding. So we have this package I created already, Room data. Right click here. First of all we have to create an entity. So we take here class and I put the name student. So this is a class and here I have to write entity for room here, and in this entity I have to pass the table name and I pass here student. If I do not pass here table name, then automatically this class name will be the table name, but it's better to write. Now we take here field like roll number, so I say where roll number int. Then we have, and I have to take this as a data class because I need to create a data class because I need to store information only. So better to have a data class. Now we have another variable, we say student name string, then we have course string. So these three field I want to take. You can take more field also, these are the field in a table. So student is a table and here roll number, student name and course we are taking as a your field. Now what I do, I just make it primary key, so I say primary key. So by like this I can make this key as a primary. So entity is created by data class. Now I need DAO. So for Kotlin we need interface here and I put here student DAO. So in this interface what I do, I just create here a DAO from RoomDB like this. So we create here DAO. Now I have to create a function, so I say func and I say insert and here I pass student information like this, and I say this is the insert of Room API. So automatically the this insert function will be created and it will insert a record into the database. So one thing we had done, this is done. We can do more functions also in later video like update, query and other. Now I create one more class here and I say this class is student DB, means student database, and that class we took create here, and this class would work as a database. So we say database and here in database we took entities and here I have only one entity, that is student. So I take student class like this, and if I have more table then I can just write here comma and I can give other class name also. So here I have to pass a version of this database, so I say version is 1. Now this class should be subclass of room database, so I say room database like this, and this class should be abstract class, and here I need to create one function that will get the student information. So we say get student db, and it will return the student DAO. It will return a student DAO. We can say get student DAO like this. Now I have to create the instance of room database, and I make sure that only single instance of this class should be created, otherwise it will create some threading problem. So that's why we are taking here companion object, and here in this companion object I am creating a one variable, I say instance, and this variable would return student db, and it is equal to null. Now this object is created. Now I need to create a function get instance, or you can give any name here, and here we pass the context, and this function is going to return the student db like this, and we return instance. Now if this instance is null, now I need to create the object. So I say instance equal to room dot database builder. I pass here context dot application context. Now here I need to pass the class of room database, that is student db class java, and here I need to pass the database name. Database name I can say student db dot build. So you know that student db is the name of the database. This is the database class. This will return the instance, and we have done the coding. Now the room database requirement is done. We have created a class, data class, which having a field. We have created that entity also, table student. We have DAO class corresponding to this table, and here we have inserted a one function also. One operation is called insert, that we are going to insert information. Now we have this student db, and this is the room database class, and we inherit this class by room database. We pass here entity is table is 1, version is 1, database name. Then we have make sure that we have only single instance of this class. That's why we are going to create this get instance, that will check if the instance is null, then create instance, otherwise return instance. So this way we are now able to go there, and here we are going to insert the record on insert button. So we have insert button here, and here I have to make a coding. So first of all I have to check that these field are should not be empty, should we have some data here. So for that what I do, I just check there if this roll number is not empty, and student dot we have filled s name and course. So we say if s name dot is not empty and course dot is not empty, then we will do something here. Otherwise we say else, and I pass here toast dot make test, and remember that I have created here context also, that is local context dot current. So this context I have to pass here. Then I say record, we say please insert record first, please insert information first. Okay, now we give duration also, so toast dot show duration dot show. Now here I need to insert a code. For that I need a coroutine scope. So for creating a coroutine scope, I have to create here a val coroutine scope equal to remember coroutine scope, like this. So we have coroutine scope here, coroutine scope. Now under this coroutine scope, so here I just call coroutine scope dot launch. Here I need to make coding. Data class variable val, then I say student equal to student, and here I pass roll number, and then I pass here we have a student, so I just import this class from that package, and here I pass as name, then I pass course. For that I have to convert into integer, so I say to int, like this. Now I need to call that student db dot get instance. Here I need to pass context, then we need get student dot insert, and here I pass student information, like this, and here I call toast if record is inserted. So I say record inserted. I think we done everything. If we have some error, then we will see later on. First of all, I try to execute it. So click here. So we have this ready application. I put here roll number 1, then I put here student name. I say Rahul Kumar, then I say course, I say BTech, and I click on insert button, and we have some kind of problem, I think. So we should check the problem also. I click here, problem. Okay, problem is here that this coroutine execute only suspended functions, so I need to create all these function as a suspended. The problem is there that this class DAO class have this function, this insert function should be suspend function. Why? Because remember that it's very important part, because it's a coroutine, and under the coroutine I am calling this insert function to insert this data or these value of a student into database. That's why this insert should be suspend function. So I just make it suspend and I try to execute once more. Now problem is there that we did some mistake, so I rebuild, I think. So I say rebuild it, try to execute once more. Now I enter again roll number, then I say Rahul Kumar, then I say course BTech, and I say insert, you say record inserted. So without any problem we are going to insert a record. I can insert one more record also, second ID, because it's a primary key, and then we can change the name of this student also. So I say Ravi Kumar, same in BTech, insert, and whether this record is going into the room database or not, we are going to see in the next video by clicking on display. So we are going to make a code for display also. So you have seen that very simple way we have implemented room API for insert operation in Jetpack Compose. It's a very simple way to do the coding. Now in next video I'm going to tell you how you can display the code, and then next two video then we will learn how to delete and update. So that's all in this video, and I think you have learned something from this video. If you really learn anything, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.